Ladies and gentlemen, put it together for Marvin and Pazzo.
Thank you so much. We are Marvin and Pazzo. Bro.
Dagask.
Bro. By the way, I'm so happy since niba nawe wishimye mana abantu ni benshi.
Me twice.
So, first of all, turabanza kubasaba imbabazi.
No, it is a common problem. Just
Okay, they are back. Me,
I improvise.
Hey. So, twabwira ngo tubanje kubasaba imbabazi Marvin and Pazzo.
We are very sorry.
For the show of 20th January.
They say the previous show.
Yeah. It's not the previous.
The previous, but
bro,
show.
What is Zeneza? It's okay.
Don't insult me in public.
What is Zeneza? It's okay. It's
Thank
not
you.
The previous.
The previous, but one. English. My English. Me and English, we are friends.
Okay. Back to the point. Nukuvuga ngo last time twagize ibyago ingegera ziza gukora baraziyora. So mutubabari abantu baje kuri 12 bakatubura.
Reka kubishyira muri rusange.
Okay.
Hagiye ingegera imwe indi isangayo.
My brother. Icyaha cyari cyandi. None tujye muri story neza.
Urumva?
We turabajura kandi twarazizura umuki. Nagari ma video waje kurunywera kuri stage.
Buretse kwanza na namuhenera.
So,
reka nkubwize no kuri wa kintu. Umva wa Babylon. Ngiye bamfate na kushi. Wakuiguye ni watekawe ni wazitwaye tu.
So, ukuntu byagenze twagize ibyago ariko ahantu twari turi mu byukuri. Okay. Ubwo turi hano we are free.
The main purpose is to thank everyone that supported us in the hard time.
Of course. Of course.
My friend, a friend in need.
Is a friend indeed.
Thank you very much. We are going to thank a very special people here.
Wundi baravuga ngo boss wawe man nagura nzi ka boss ari abantu beza.
Uzukuntu bavuga ngo ba boss ni ingegera.
Ngo ni ingegera sha.
Boss wacu nanga ari
ingegera. Merci, come here.
Our boss visited us.
What is my brother Pacific? Where are you?
Our boss visited us. Come here, uncle. Come.
Merci.
You deserve
cyubahiro cyawe ahantu uri hose egera ahantu kuri kw'Imana iri mu byago umuvana akakugeraho niyo bari boss wawe nukabyiteho. Merci. Bretse gato.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Pacific, where are you?
You look like man.
Twabazani impano.
You bring us today.
Mu bushobozi bwacu nihangane. This is my brother.
Our boss.
Thank you man. Sasa rero ahantu twari tubayeho nabi. Uri mu bantu batugezeho bwa mbere. Twaje twitwaje impano bitewe nyine ubundi umuntu murebe iki nyine
yakikenye cyane. Inshuti yawe.
I will ask you to stand here. Stand here.
Here.
I'll hand you my gift.
And I
handle it
to the boss. Then they snap a photo. So Mr. We are very grateful. Manager, please bring.
Ntabwo twashoboye kuzipfunyika. But nyine merci urabona yambaye neza. Ariko accordingly. This one. You see? That one. Bro, it's new, it's new. Nicya uretse ko nayambaye mba rimwe. Yeah.
Iyi rero iyo iraramba. Kuyifura ntago ari ngombwa. Urabona guno ikweduka? Baca. Gutya. Yaba inganiti. Nta kibazo wagira.
Kandi ufite n'abavandimwe. Thank you so much. Warakoze kutuba hafi.
The big boss. Waratubani.
Cameraman.
Thank you very much. So, undi muntu wa kabiri dushaka gushimira by'umwihariko Numugabo nkunda cyane mumukomera amashyi.
Banza mumukomera amashyi.
Numugabo w'umuhanga icyazanye ubwenge cyatwaye umusatsi.
Bro, be genius.
I'm trying to be nice.
You're talking about the other man.
Yeah, the sponsor.
That man is a sponsor.
Yes.
So better control your words.
Hey, okay. He doesn't have hair. But he has a very friendly twaramurebye muri rusange ko tugiye gutanga impano twaravuze ati ese uyu muntu yabakene iki ngiye kumwitegereza yasetse abantu babaye bahinze muzi uburyo batera ibigori intambwe ugatera ikigori nyasetse ubona basa nk'abateye ibigori amenyo yari mu nashaka kumushimira by'umwihariko Mr. Kabano Franco umukomera amashyi cyane.
A round of applause to Mr. Kabano Franco. Franco nukuri kw'Imana wibeshye ukabura.
No ibaze gutegura brag waiteguyeho nazi. Thank you very much sir. It's a pleasure.
You can come closer. It's okay.
Kubera
this man is humble.
This is a very big brand. You don't pull him. You request. We are sorry for him to pull you.
I'm so sorry.
Kubera rero nahantu twatumaze iminsi tuba yubitse ikintu hafi bumva bari bugusake. So for that matter therefore
this Kathy.
So we are cameraman. We are very very happy. Thank you very much. You're so generous.
We are so humbled. Thank you for being with us.
These are the people to remember.
These are the real people. I'm telling you.
We are very grateful.
So this third person.
Are we giving a third person a gift?
A third person. This gift is very a secret.
You didn't tell me about the third person.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. N'abandi bantu bose batubaye hafi turabashimiye ariko abantu benshi banze ko tubazana hano bari babyemeye. So this third person. Man, they say a friend in need
is a friend indeed.
True. Man, this person I've spent a year in a career. This person twarazanye hano wese tutazi ibyo tujeho. N'umukomediye mugenzi wanjye. Yambaye hafi cyane. Ni inshuti nziza n'umuvandimwe. Yambaye hafi cyane. Ni inshuti yanjye cyane man. Akwiriye impano idasanzwe. Nakoze research yanjye ubwo navuye yarandagira nzerera iwe madam turaganira ndavuga si uyu muntu akwiriye iki koko. Ndavuga ati uyu muntu ngomba kumuha impano. Uwo muntu nta wundi. Mavide therapist. Man, you've been my brother.
Don't cry.
Since day one, man. Baradufunga unzira.
Don't cry.
Man,
we are in problem.
Man, you are my brother.
It's okay. Where is the gift?
Wait a bit, I'm telling you. Man, you've been with me. Umujama baradufunze badutekeka ibintu. Yaranarenganaga aza kunsura ingegera bayishyiramo. Man, you are my brother. Seriously, you are my brother. So, nagiye iwawe mu rugo udahari. Navuga se Mavide akeneye iki nganira na madame bite n'ukuntu yayicaye. Navuga se turaganira. Man, ambwira ibintu ukunda.
Uganira na madame.
Nganira na madame. Ambwira ibintu ukunda. Ambwira ibintu bibura mu rugo bimwe bushobozi nibukunde.
Yego.
But man, nubwo ngiye gushimira ariko you have to be serious. This gift I bought. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You are my brother.
Thank you.
For that case, better take this. This thing. First wait.
I'm a man.
Handle it. Nukuvuga ngo madamu wawe twicaranye man. Mbona hari ikintu kiba mu rugo. Bro, don't deny my gift. Je narakarira hano. Nukuvuga ngo bro, ukora ibintu byose mu rugo ameza iki agasonga bugari. Hako bro.
Pazzo. Madamu wanje. Ubugari bw'ikibuno cye ubuzi gute?
We nutekereza ibintu byinshi bro. It's not that matter. Thank you for being
take a
brother.
pic.
Okay. Cameraman.
After here, I'm having a divorce wherever you are. Cameraman.
Cameraman, where are you?
Thank you very much. So, my sweet lady, wherever you are, I shouldn't find you home. How does another man know the size of your bum?
So, mwarakoze cyane abantu badukurikiranye. So back to the jokes.
Shiti zanjye.
Bro,
Hari
nubwo
ahantu
twaturi
rero
ahantu ariko nawe ababrage. Guess what? Man, uziko hari ahantu hinjira. By the way, uraza umupolisi akakurigestaringa. Batitaye kubyuzira iki bakakurigestaringa bakagushyira mu gitabo. Ukaza nta kindi umupolisi akubaza. Telefone wazisize yara kuri RIB what and what. Kuramo umukandara n'urukweto.
Ibyo ryo bintu usiga hariya kuri Fontaine
ukabimanika. Sasa rero hari ahantu bita mu gihodi habamo abayobozi, hari conseiller ubakuriye
na security zimurinda.
Umuntu gateka.
Hari abantu bafunzwe bafite uburambe mu gufunga.
Noneho si conseiller abafite abantu baba security. Ugeramo bakagusaka.
Bro.
Ngiye guhagarara ngusake. First of all nyine kuko uba winjiranye amafaranga rimwe na rimwe basha. Ndamusaka. Melissa yafungiwe he? Hano basaka hano. Bakagusakarata. No agufuka amaso kugira ngo utaza nyine kujijisha kwa kundi mutsima amafaranga. Ya box wayigaruye. Ari icitse hazi cya hejuru.
Ni kuri za boro.
Bagagufuka amaso. Tandaraza. Aha. Cyangwa yayishimo hano. Arasetse. Okay, buno nogiye gufungura buto.
Nta modoka nazanye.
Ugiye gufungura buto.
Nta modoka nazanye.
Hagarara bunama ugake. Bro.
Nta kintu nashyizemo.
Nanyize ngo n'ubwanwa gusa wateretse.
Ese n'iby'inyuma urabibonye?
Ibyo bikarangira ukinjiramo hariya waba uri friendly n'abantu cyangwa se ari umuntu usanzemo cyangwa se usa neza cyangwa se ufite agafaranga.
Amafaranga nta nadakora. None naje gusanga bibera hirya nago bahita mu gihugu sinzi ko nimba ari kuzimu. Ibibera hano nibyo biberayo ahubwo itandukaniro harabishushanya mu isi. Bariya ni reality.
Hariya niho hantu honyine ubukeneye Imana ibindi byose nabonye babeshya. Ni ukuvuga ngo
ibindi ni black. Imana hari irakora ubwira Imana nk'ubwira umujama wawe ati Imana urabizi rero ndarengana.
Naramwishe sava.
Uza none habisha abantu.
No ni ukuvuga ngo hariya ubukeneye Imana. Hano usanga umuntu ukubwiriza akibaza senga. Bagira igihe cya gospel nimugoroba bagatera indirimbo bagasenga iki hakaza pastor ati Yesu ashimwe.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Amen.
Nje mubona hano ngiye kubabwira ijambo ry'Imana. Mu byukuri nitwa Harerimana. Ni Imana yandeze. Mubyeyi wanjye apfuye mfite imyaka 6. Ese Imana sirera koko?
Ko wagowe.
Irarira pe. Nuko rero nje imyaka yanjye yose bamfunze batangiye kumfunga mfite imyaka 10. Nkaba naraziraga ubujura. Ariko mu bujura bwanjye nagiye mbona Imana.
Hallelujah.
Amen. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Njyewe kuva natangira kwiba. Nta munsi numwe bari bankubita n'urushingo nibye. Amen.
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 Nuko rero reka twakira abantu bagiye gutanga ubuhamya bature ndetse banasaba Imana imbabazi.
Imana ishimwe.
Amen.
Nitwa Jean Damascene. Irakoze. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Mu gushima Imana kwanjye rero nashaka mumfashe mu karirimbo keza nk'unda kamfasha. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Kukuriho ntacyo nzatinya ibiri imbere. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Ndashima Imana rero ngiye naje hano kuko mubizi nta muntu uzana arengana nangwa se yizanye.
Hallelujah. Amen.
Ngiye nagize ibyago. Hallelujah.
Amen.
nakubise abantu babiri nyundo. Hallelujah.
Amena.
Hallelujah.
Amena.
Nanjye murabona hano ko hari nyundo.
Amena.
Ariko ndashimana ko bose batapfuye.
Nukuvuga ngo bagushinja umuntu gusa.
Ni umuntu umwe wapfuye. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Nibyo nashimiraga Imana dossier yanjye hari umuntu umwe.
Umwe wapfuye.
Numwe.
Undi baracyamuvuza.
Yego.
Okay. Noneho sasa ukuntu baba bari gupreaching urabizi gossips. Abantu baba bafite imyitwarire itandukanye. Umuntu ari kuvuga ati ntago tuzahera hano. Vuga ko uzataha, buri wese afite ikizere ko arazataha.
Ukajya kumva muri background.
Twese tuzataha.
None se pastor.
Yo.
Wowe waje hano kudusura.
Nukuvuga ngo twese tuzataha. Ntugire ikibazo, ibyaha byawe niyo yabishe n'imyaka 20 uzayikora wongera utaha iwanyu. Ibiru uzasigaje udapfuye uzagenda hanze widagadure.
Pastor.
Yo.
Gabanya amagambo ukora uburoko.
Man,
noneho muri gereza abakatolike abamuzirema nje nasengeraga amakatolike. Noneho umwanya wo guhimbaza Imana ugasanga umuntu uyo yinjire mu gihodi tike yurayimenya ko yishe umuntu. Ugasanga umuntu mwegeranye yarishe. Bagatangira guhimbaza Imana.
Ari indirimbo y'abakatolike nzi.
Komeza umurimo watangiye
wicika intege wahisemo neza nyagasani turi kumwe. Ukabona umuntu wishe abantu ari guhimbaza yafashijwe.
Ukibaza umuntu wishe abantu bamurekura uwo murimo yatangiye nawe ukomeza azatumara.
That is the jail. That is the jail.
My brother, congratulations.
We've been there.
We have succeeded and we are here in the bayita mu gihugu.
You are in the country.
A lot of things have changed.
Of course.
As a matter of fact, even my size has transformed.
Of course, man.
I had 57 kilograms. I have 35.
I was in 70s, I'm in 60s.
For you are like a bag of cement, don't mind.
What was necessary? So I was saying, man, even the sitting arrangements were changed here.
Here in James.
Bro,
Rwanda. Mbere twateraga blague. Uri butere blague hano yasha, ukayihindura hano igakora. Ariko biri straight nka carpet.
Paka kwa DJ nigarukira.
Nisha iragaruka igusanga.
Ariko ikibazo nabonye hano hasigaye ari na protocole nukuvuga ngo Melissa agomba guhindura mutu.
Duke.
In James comedy, even in the comedy
they
shows
call
in
it
Rwanda.
A twist.
The twist.
You know English.
I'm seeing here people. You see here even sitting boys, men.
We need to change.
Girls, women. They are so.
They say for you never went to go to schools. They say gender balance.
Mu Kinyarwanda.
Harya n'uburinganire.
I was saying okay, gender balance. Nyine tukaza twicara turi mixed protocol.
A boy and a girl.
Because the reason as to why I have raised this, man, muri Uganda, bro. Nyine before we.
You see, in America, girls are proud. You meet them, hi, we are recipients. Come to Rwanda. Hi, Turaba twin.
I saw that trend. Man, Rwandans be proud, you see?
But in Uganda,
my friend,
they are honest people.
Honest people, straight to the point.
Call it the Pearl of Africa. You get a chance. To the bar.
You go to the bar single.
When you're single, you come back twice.
Bari abantu nibo nabonye bubahiriza amategeko y'abarokore bavuga baje mu rusengero uko baje ariko ntabwo basubira uko baje.
Never.
He go to the bar. Ari sober.
And the good thing about going to the bar, the first sip goes direct to the balls.
So
you open up.
When you're busy dancing, DJ, raise up the music and we go.
Anything
you prefer. Big banger.
Be like
after sipping some alcohol.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Turn around.
Okay.
How much?
DJ, pull up. You're straight to the point. Hey, you man.
Ugandans are straight to the point.
Straight to the point. So you get a chance. Mukumvikana yo shit. Mukagenda sasa. Urabona Uganda ni nini bro? Ikamparingana nk'u Rwanda.
You know this I can't miss to get a beautiful babe.
Wibihakana wagiyeyo. Vanessa nako.
No, I need a beautiful girl to crack a joke with. May I please? Thank you. May I, darling?
Reka twife.
Thank you.
Okay.
She's a beauty. Jesus Christ.
Umva se brese gatwa twahinduye rori.
Dang. Uko come baby.
Man, uziko man.
I can never be a priest.
Sure.
Never.
Uziko mu Rwanda hari abakobwa beza at an extent you can see a beautiful woman utitaye ngiki you go there aizuru
You even be proud.
you even be proud.
nje naranduye wana
bakubaza ati samani kuri gushirundira nutsushize
uriya mukobwa niwe wanyandusha uriya mukobwa mwiza w'inzobe uriya niwe wanyandushe wana
we go straight to the point man. Beautiful girls are everywhere in Rwanda. So you go urabona nyine muri Uganda ninjoro kubera ubujura ibisambo iki man abantu usanga ku muhanda niba abandi abasecurity aba agent batahakara ahantu hose.
You're busy, you're from a club, you're having a
Sasa abantu bakora security muri Uganda most of them they are northern Ugandans. Umusanga kuri bank ushaka.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. How are you?
I need your aid, sir.
Aid?
Yes, sir.
I don't have AIDS.
No, your help.
Hey, my help?
Yeah.
You want my help?
Yes, sir.
About what?
We are looking for a lodge.
You are looking... A lodge?
A lodge.
Single room, double rooms?
Double rooms are expensive.
That is your wife?
She's my fiancée.
You just do and go.
No. We want a lodge, we are tired.
Single room?
Yeah, single room.
What are you going to do?
We are tired, we want to sleep.
You want to sleep only?
Yes.
Okay, you see this right road?
The light road.
There.
Yes, sir.
You turn right.
Right.
There.
You
find there down a petrol station.
Petrol station.
Rubis.
Yes, sir.
A Rubis petrol station.
After there?
After there, you go down there.
Yes, sir.
You turn left.
Left. Yes.
You find a saloon.
A barber shop.
A barber shop.
Yes.
You a wise woman. That's why you have a beautiful woman.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah. So after that barber shop,
yes,
down there, there is a butcher.
Yes, a butcher.
A pork butcher.
Yes.
You buy me there 1 kilogram and come back and I directed the lodge. Thank you so much. You are MAVIDE PAZZO.